Good day everyone, my name is Lindsay. Today I'm going to share about my assignment on management accounting. It's about compare the financial option of Jordan Standard & Berhad, and also the goal is to find out which option is better for the company. Okay, Jordan Standard & Berhad have two options. The first option is traditional bank loan. The bank loan is about loaning 3.5 million loan at a 5% interest, and the option 2 is joint venture with PB Expert Standard & Berhad. And now we're going to compare the financial statement of the both options to see which option is better for the company. So here is the sales and revenue forecast for Jordan Standard & Berhad from 2025 to 2029. As you can, the sales is same for the both option, and the selling price per unit is 31,000 per unit, and the sales unit grow 100 by year until 2029. As you can see from 2025 is 1,000 unit until 2029 is 1,400 unit, and this also increase the sales revenue from 31 million to 43.4 million. So the sales revenue is look positive for the both options. And now we compare the expenses and profitability. The material cost is same for the both options. It's from 5 million grow to 6.6 million, and it grow due to the increase of sales production volume. But the labor cost is different for the both options. Labor cost of option 1 is grow from 3.5 million to 4.5 million, although it's already have 2% and no decrease, and it also profits lower, and because this is due to the interest on loan repayment. And the option 2 have a lower labor cost due to the joint venture. It grow from 3.3 million to 4.2 million is because it has a 2% reduced annually plus 5% joint venture cut, and it also profit faster, and also have a due to a lower cost and improve of receivable of 74%, and it also have no loan to repay. As just now I mentioned, this is the graph of the net cash flow. The red line is the option 1 and green line is option 2. We can see option 1 have a lower negative begin balance than option 2. It profits lower than option 1. You can see this line. Red color is more back than the green color. So we can see by comparing the net cash flow, option 2 is more better than option 1. And as conclusion, we compare the financial statement. We can confirm that option 2 is better than option 1 in labor cost efficiency, receivable efficiency, and profit timeline. So option 2 is more better in the financial statement than option 1. But if you need the joint venture to work better, we also need to consider the joint venture to follow this step. Here are 10 considerations of the joint venture, but now we only talk about 3 key considerations of the joint venture. The first is the strategic fit. We need the joint venture, both parties to having the same goal. If they one thinking the business model of saving costs, and another one gain profit more than saving costs, then they will move in a different direction. So we must keep them move in the same direction so they can have the same goal, so the business will move more longer. And the second one is partner selection. While choosing a joint venture partner, you need to choose a partner that reliable. If you choose a partner that unreliable, they might to scam the company money and run away. So that's not good to happen lah. So we going to choose a reliable partner. And the second is we also need to choose a partner that is skillful, and also and the skill also need to match your company. So like ice cream making company can join venture with a milk product company, so they will move more longer. And the third is capital contribution. Both parties must agree to what they are bring to the table, so they can make things more clear and fair, and this will avoid argument for the both parties. And also, to keep the joint venture run smoothly, we also need to use the budgetary control. Budgetary control can track spending, control costs, and guide decision making. By following the budgetary control, the company can compare what they actually plan and what they actually spend. And also, we must keep the budgetary control not so strict. We need to keep the budgetary control flexible, so it will know if it's too strict, it can cause problem or make the progress slower. So as a conclusion, it's clear that option 2 is better at everywhere than option 2. It has lower cost, better cash flow, and no loan burden. So by choosing joint venture with PB expert Sdn Bhd, we will confirm that Jordan Sdn Bhd will grow faster and more safer. And here is my reference list. And that is the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention.